Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to download Skype for Business. Skype for Business is an enterprise software application for instant messaging and video telephony developed by Microsoft as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is designed for use with the on-premises Skype for Business server software and the software as a service version offered as part of Office 365. To download Skype for Business, if you're using an Android, tap Open your Play Store. For iOS, tap Open your App Store and in the search box search for Skype Business, and search from the search results you'll be able to view Skype for Business. For Android, simply tap on Install in order to download the application on your device. Wait for the download to begin. Once the download is completed, the installation process will begin. Wait until it installs on your device. Once the app is installed, tap Open the app by tapping on Open, or you can visit your app list, and the application will be visible there as well. Tap it on, and tap on the Next button. Allow access for Skype for Business, to access your contacts and make and manage phone calls, take pictures, and record videos, access to your medias, and finally to record audio. Accept to the terms and conditions of Skype, tap on the Next button one more time and log into your account. With your sign-in address, that is how you can download Skype for Business on your device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.